Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Oh my god, I feel like I haven't filmed a video in so long. We're doing a little unboxing today from a new brand and I'm really excited to check it out because it's a Goth Beauty Box and like, that's so cool. I've never heard of that. So I got a little glam today. Not super glam, but I felt like I would, you know, do a little goth glam situation and see what is in the Goth Beauty Box. It's so exciting. So let's just jump right into it. And if you're new here, hello, my name's Luna. I do all things witchy, girly, glam on this channel, and it's really a fun time. So I would highly recommend subscribing if you like any of those things, because I think you'll have a good time. So, okay, let's jump into it. So first thing we get, I love this. I'm such a sucker for magazines, and I don't have any magazine subscriptions, so like planning my vision board for 2024, I don't have any magazines just laying around. And so I just love magazines. I think they're so cool. So this comes with a magazine, Gothic Beauty Magazine, issue 54. They sent this to me a while ago, so this might be like the October, November one. But it looks so cool, and it's like just a bunch of bad bitches up in here. Like, it's so cool looking. Haven't looked through this. Oh, wait, this is cool. I don't even know what this is on about. I don't know what this is talking about. I don't know what this is about, but it looks really cool. So, I'll love to see it. Flip through that later. And then we've got the box. I have no idea what's gonna be in here, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna angle you guys so you can see with me. Cute. Alrighty. So we get, as most boxes have, a little card that talks about what's inside. I'll show it to you if you want to peek. I'm not going to peek. It says, thanks so much for getting Gothic Beauty Box 54. Find the following dark artifacts inside. So we're going to come back to this. I don't want to peek. Okay, cool. We've got a little code from lip service. Let's like do all of our little small things. We've got some stickers, some little sticky guys. I think lip service maybe is like a little brand in here. I've never heard of it, but I'm down. I want to start with these sockos. So this is my foot clothes. This is the Blood Cathedral. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. This is really fun. I love socks. Also really fits the vibe today, so I'm loving that. So yeah, this is by Foot Clothes. Wait, I think I've heard of them. Oh my god, no, I think I've heard of them and looked at their page. Cause they're like on about how, this is so funny, that this was like recommended to me. You know how you get like ads on Instagram? I'm pretty sure it was Foot Clothes. If it's owned by like a hot goth girl, then like definitely. But they're like made with no seams. So it's really good for wearing under fishnets and stuff, and designs from independent artists. So I really like that. That's so funny. I didn't realize that connection, but they're super soft actually. And yeah, no seams. I can't wait to wear these. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay. We're just going to jump in. I always have like paralysis when it comes to like, what do I grab next? But we're just going to grab this. This is 3D skull ice molds. We actually, my husband is, well, he was a bartender, but he's essentially still a bartender for the house. We have a pretty cool bar setup, and so we have a lot of these cool, you know, shaped ice molds. And this is one we don't have, but we love throwing rippin' Halloween parties, so I'm trying to figure it out, y'all. Oh, okay. I was trying to figure it out. Cool, so it goes like this, essentially. And they have a, so you keep it shut. You've got like the front part, and then this is the back part. And then they give you this little funnel. Floop, pop that funnel in there, water it up. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited for this because I love spooky drinks. I have so many books that are about like witchcraft cocktails, and I don't drink a ton, but I love mocktails, and I could drink more. You know what I'm saying? And so yeah. I want to make more drinks, and I know my husband wants to make me more drinks, so this will be really, really fun. I really like this. Okay, cool. Let's do this guy. This looks like a little, so you've got some lifestyle things, definitely. Now we're getting into the makeup. This is the Lashy Doodle. Oopy spooky looking. nice. Ooh. Trying not to blind you. Going wild with these shimmers. Definitely, I'm not too much, well, sometimes I like the warmer tones, but these darker shadow guys, really, really, really like that. I'm a big fan of the cool tones, and this green is like a duo tone. I don't know if you can tell, like brownish to green. I like that a lot. I'm curious about how these will go, so I'm gonna show you some swatches. So I want to start with this duo tone shade. So that's super pigmented. It's really creamy too. I'm really impressed actually. Super pigmented. Holy shit. Yeah, that's super pigmented. Less creamy feeling, which is normal. It's more of a matte shade, but you can see it's not as pigmented when you put it on the skin. So for these shades, you would probably want to have a nice primer, or like really pack it well. Even have a colored primer for what you're trying to go for. Okay, I want to try this green. Looks so pretty. So I'm going to try this green. Very pigmented on the skin. Let's see. Hey, look at that. Really pigmented. So like the matte ones are not so. The matte ones are a bit more chalky. Let's try one more of the matte. Whites are crazy. Let's try that. Okay. Yeah, about the same. I know it's a hard one to see, but I'd say this is more pigmented than this orange one. I think the orange one you just need to build a lot more. Okay, and there's one more I want to try. I really want to try this one. This looks like so beautiful. And we haven't tried a glittery one yet. Okay. So chunky glittery. Definitely mostly glitter. Super pigmented, you just need to pack it on. All in all, I do like this palette. I think some shades are definitely better than the others. Okay, we've got some jewelry. Let's pop into that. Oh, we got this little cat ring. Do you see him? Do you see the little cat? I don't know if he's showing. I'll show you in a better angle. Little cat ring, cute. Okay, and got this little bat necklace. Really cute, I like bats. Ooh, Spooky Spirits Orange Clove Autumn Essential Oil Blend. And it's pre-distilled, no, whatever, not distilled. And you don't need to dilute it because it's got the oil in it, like the carrier oil. Very autumnal. It's very much, I mean, yeah, Orange Clove Autumn, that makes sense. It smells like, it smells like when you're baking and you combine all your spices together and you're like, wow, that's spicy. It's very spicy. I like it. I think that's really nice. It's like warm and clovey. Okay, 2 more things. Alrighty, let's do this. This is by Lashy Doodle. It is an eyeliner stamp, a 2-in-1. So one side is normal eyeliner. The other side is this stamp of a spider web. This first side is just a felt tip liner. Pretty simple. Definitely dark, pigmented. It doesn't drag. I know a lot of felt tip liners are very dry, so they drag, so it definitely feels good. So this other end is this little spider web stamp. How silly. Eek! It's so silly. It's so cute. It is so funny. Yeah, stamped super easily too. And lastly, we've got this soft matte concealer, and yeah, let's check it out. I will probably wear this as more of a highlight because you see how it's very, very white, even for me. But it's got like a shimmer. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. We'll do some swatchies. Last item to swatch is this concealer. As you can see, it's shimmery and super white. So I tried to wipe off wash off all of the eyeshadows so that I would be coming in. I've got the long nail problem. If you have that, what I do is I use my knuckle. It's not the best, but we got some on there. Whoa. Honestly, this is a beautiful highlighter shade for me. I worry that the, shimmer tends to really accentuate fine lines and wrinkles, and I am 25, so I'm getting some fine lines under my eye. So I just worry about that. But, I'll try it, because why not? It's makeup, it washes off. But I think that's a really beautiful highlight shade. Like, for me, a lot of highlighters are too dark for pale skin, and they end up kind of casting a shadow, which is literally the opposite of what you want. I'm gonna try it right here to see how it works with my little hand wrinkles. So you see how it really highlights texture. It's like the one bad thing about shimmer is it really highlights texture. I love using this part of my hand to see how a foundation or concealer is gonna sit on any under eye lines or texture in general. But yeah, no, I think it'll be a super pretty highlight. I will not use this as concealer. I'll try it, but I probably won't use it as concealer. Overall thoughts, I think the makeup's actually really surprisingly good. I honestly wasn't expecting a lot, and that's because I just don't trust brands I don't know. I'm pretty monogamous when it comes to the makeup brands that I like because I really appreciate, knowing something's gonna be good and not having to worry about that. And I've been doing makeup for a very, very long time, like 10 years, so I have high standards, and I'm actually impressed. Yeah, I'm very impressed. This eyeliner seems really, really good. The concealer I won't use as concealer probably, but I thought it was a really comfortable and pretty shimmery highlight. I don't know the longevity of any of these things just yet. And yeah, I was pretty impressed with the eyeshadows. I think eyeshadows are really, really tricky to get right. Specifically the shimmer shades I thought were super good. So yeah, how about that? Cool new box, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Let me know your thoughts down below, and if you get this box, I'll leave it in the description if you're curious. But other than that, thank you guys for hanging out today. I hope you're doing really good. I'm sending you all so much love, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Peep the little swatches. Okay, bye guys.